Here's a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. Take the long way home in this adventurously civilized Cherokee. A smooth sedan-like ride is enhanced by a versatile interior that can comfortably carry passengers and loads of cargo with equal ease. The Jeep Cargo Management System grants maximum flexibility, and the engine gives you satisfying power and exceptional fuel economy. With a touchscreen display, Uconnect, and integrated voice command with Bluetooth, when you're getting away from it all, you're not necessarily leaving it all behind.
You wouldn't head to the job site without all the right tools. Be prepared with four-wheel drive. The heated steering wheel gives you another layer of comfort on those cold days. Hindsight is 20/20 with a backup camera.
Come in for a test drive, and you'll soon realize what this capable Jeep is made of.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.